True Megatron, where are you? Where are you? This is Pinky the Pink Elephant from True Megatron 1988's channel. And I am in some weird, strange land. Why is there a door there? Oh crap, I fell down the rabbit hole. Damn it, I guess I'm in... And from the looks of it, I'm in the scary from the looks of it, I'm in the Mezco toy line Scary Tale Alice. Alice in Wonderland. True Megatron, can you hear me? Yes, I can, Pinky. Can you get me out of here? On one condition first. Can you tell me? Can you ask the Mad Hatter a question for me? What is it? Well, it's why is a raven like a writing desk? Well, but I have one question for you. Well, two actually. How did I get down here? That I cannot answer, Pinky. And second, why is Alice... You're not going to say the word that I think you're going to say. No. Why is Alice black? I'll get to that as soon as I can. Now, I'm going to throw you out of here, Pinky. Ow! Now, you go. Pinky, are you looking at me? Yes, I am. Remember why I asked you to say to the Mad Hatter? Yes. Why is a raven like a writing desk? Gotcha. Now, how am I going to get out of here? Oh, I got you on a one-way rocket trip. Ow! Damn it! That hurt. Are you the Mad Hatter? Why, yes. I have a question for you. Why is a raven like a writing desk? Because we're raving mad. Oh, Pinky, so I see you made it out of the rabbit hole. Yes, I did. Now, what are we doing? Time to start doing toy reviews on your channel. Okay. Well, Pinky, do you want to review this toy? No. Maybe. I don't know. Let me show you my rabbit. No, you're not, Pinky. Fine then. You'll never know the secret to the meaning of life. Seriously? You're pulling that card on me? Yes. I'm just going to go sit over here while you read the... Read what? Well, don't people in toy reviews, if they have the packaging, show off the packaging? Well, yes they do, Pinky. So, I figured maybe you could read them a story on the packaging and show them what it says. While I sit here and get all lovey-dovey with Black Alice. What, did you forget? Oh yeah, Doug Walker Drew. Never mind, now is not the time for that. Pinky, I'll sit you there, but you're not going to be looking at Black Alice. Look. But I like pretty girls. I know you do, Pinky. But I don't need you hogging the review time. So, I'm going to just throw you off camera. You know what? Nah, I'll just have you hop over. You want Pinky? Yeah? What do you want me to do? Can you hop over to that pencil sharpener? Yes, I can. Whoa! hot. Okay, enough about that. Let me get the camera situated. Yes, this is Shin Megatron 1988. And this is my very first toy review, official toy review. None like anything that I did at the beginning. The very first time I apologize for camera movement. Blah 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 blah. I got tongue-tied. Sorry for the random camera movement. I don't have a cameraman like some channel have all the time. I'm trying to do this solo. Well, so let's go look at the packaging. Let me adjust the camera again. So you can see it is let's start off with the manufacturer. This is made by Mezco. You can go to www.mezco.net if the website still exists. Of course, because they still make toys, but this is from their Scary Tale line. A creepier version of the Brothers Grimm fairy tales. Let's see here. Information on the bottom of the page. Yeah, this is from 2001. It opens up. The cool thing about this packaging, they make it looks like a really old torn up book. I'll read the Alice read up in just a second. I'm going to show you the inside of the cutaway right here. Sorry for the movement in the camera and the way the video is going to look, but this is going to be a better way to show you the packaging. It says Alice right there, and it's all blood splattered and ripped up. This shows the white Alice, which is the common one. I have the variant, which is the black Alice. If I remember correctly from research, looking up, 1 out of every 50 is the black Alice. So she's more rare. And unfortunately, I don't have the White Rabbit or the Mad Hatter. But on the other Scary Tale toy that they release as a line is Little Red Riding Hood. I have Little Red Riding Hood. I don't have the wolf. And now, let's see here, where is it? Ah yes, Alice. I'm not going to read this, but I'm going to move it so you could read this as it goes by if you really want. But I will type this in the description of the video so you can actually read it. And that's enough for the packaging. Sorry for the camera movement again. Bring the toy into frame. pull the camera back. I'm sorry, this is a lot of motion movement, and I apologize if anyone might have motion or prone to motion sickness. I apologize. I will get better at this as I review more products. Like I said before, this is Black Alice, and her setup is the scene where she falls through the rabbit hole and she's in the room with the really tiny door and the drink me and the eat me cookie and the key. Let's just set the table away, and I'm going to pop Alice off. Sorry for my hand movement. I'm sorry for the weird camera angle. And I'm sorry again for that movement. The base is a pool of water from her tears. So this is Alice's tears filling the room. It's a cardboard background, which I guess that's supposed to represent the rabbit hole. It's all jaggedy and pointy. And let's take a look at the detail on the door. The door has horns. Let me level the camera out. They tried making it have, they molded in nice wooden grain lines as horns there. I really like the red eyes, the black with red eye, the black and red eye, blah blah blah. Sorry again, I'm used to reviewing beer. I like the black eyes with the red rings and the little white dots that would pick up on the camera. The door is alive, and the door actually has some functions to it. You open it up there, there's the mouth. Other side of the door, his teeth, and there's another door. Let me zoom out. There's another door. If you reach in here, shows the rest of the rabbit hole and his tongue. Camera tastes good. Sorry, couldn't resist. There's a peg hole for Alice's foot and indentations for the chair. Blah blah blah. Sorry for what I just said. I meant to say table. To give you a good zoom into the inside of the mouth. Now, as for accessories, well, let me get a mirror out. Hold on, let me just get this is the drink. This is Alice's Drink Me bottle. It's a typical fashion looking type bottle that's white with a orange swirl and a red yellow dot. Oh, come on, pick it up. Let's see if it... let me get some better light. You can kind of see that's the orange, and down there that's a little blurry, that's the yellow. And it has a painted cork top. And I'm sorry for my big fingers in the way. This is so tiny, and I'm not really sure how to show it off that good. There, you can kind of see the yellow better. That's the detail. That's the Drink Me bottle. Now for the Eat Me, which I have no clue how I'm going to get this in frame. It's a tiny little chocolate chip cookie or raisin cookie with a bite out of it. Hold on, let me think. Do I have any tweezer? I'm looking for something. I have an idea on how to make that be more visible. Bear with me, folks. Bear with me. Sorry for the reflection of myself, but this is the only way that I could get the cookie really in frame. Let me see if I could zoom in a... Yeah, if you could kind of see, that's a cookie right there. Sorry about my face being in the shot, but this is the only way I thought I could really... The cookie, it's so really tiny. I'm sorry if it's not wanting to focus. Focus. Well, enough about that. I'm going to leave the cookie on there. And I'm going to talk about the table. Table looks pretty much just like the table from pretty much all Alice in Wonderland movies. It has a key molded in. Now, one thing that I want to say about Mezco, they make good toys. This was made in 2001 when they could have had the technology because there were magnetic toys back then. They could have had a little piece of steel under. They could have had a little magnet embedded into the cookie and one embedded in the plastic on there, because that cookie, if you move it slightly, will fall off. That's my only complaint about the toy. I really like it. Now on for Black Alice. I actually have one other complaint. Well, not complaint, or question for anyone that has the Scary Tales Mezco Black Alice. This is how it's actually molded, if the camera would show it on her left. Her leg right there, there's a white stripe and a peachy colored dot on her leg right. You can see in the mirror right there. Can anyone tell me in the description that this is a defect or it's actually made that way? But other than that, let's just get all your thoughts over it. Yes, she has pink panties on, and that's all I have to say about that. She has you can't see them, but yeah, pink panties. Let me zoom out. Her foot is kind of like that on purpose because it's the way that she stands in the background scene. She has yellow socks and black shoes. She has a purple dress with yellow and then black lacing on it. And yes, she has a rack that's partially shown. She has pretty eyes. They gave her purple, bits of purple over the top of there. Her hair. She does have articulation in the hand that goes almost all the way around, and it rotates. I don't really know what that part of the body would be considered rotation, but it rotates. The head does not move. This arm moves. And that hand does the exact same thing. Oh yeah, she has waist articulation. And now I'll show you what she looks like on. And she can hold the Drink Me bottle. And that's what it looks like on the stand. And I gotta say, that's really perverted with the tongue hanging out right below her pants. And this is my very first toy review. Please, anyone out there, please give me comments criticizing me and maybe giving me hints on how to improve this. Thank you and good night. Or good morning or whatever. Just answer me this. I just have one last thought to say. Why is a raven like a writing desk? I'm leaving you with those final thoughts. Good night.